Hi, my name's Pat Rainey with PJR Media. Last year, 2021, was my first year to ride Ragbrai, and it really was a fantastic experience. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I went in as a newbie with the idea that I would bring along a whole bunch of camera equipment and shoot a bunch of video, which I did. There's 4 of us now, and we are going to produce videos similar to what we did last year. So my team is Rob, Bruce, and Eric. Rob and Eric are the shooters. Their job is to shoot some great video, share the Ragbrai experience through the eyes of 2 guys, and we're hoping that their perspective is going to be much different, much better, much more entertaining than my perspective was last year.
Hi, my name is Eric Leskowitz, and this journey we call Ragbrai lets me combine 3 of the things that I really like. Photography, where I'm actually a professional photographer full-time. I own my studio and we do portraits and commercial work. Cycling, and coffee. Although coffee is not the focus often of the discussion around Ragbrai, there are quite a few amazing coffee shops along the way that I'll probably be popping into and sharing with you here on video. But more so, I want to know your story of Ragbrai. My story is a year ago, I didn't even know it existed. Maybe 9-10 months ago, I saw a YouTube video and thought, that looks amazing. Talked to a couple friends, they saw the same video, and they said, let's go. So we registered, and then I began shopping for my bike. I owned no bike, had registered for Ragbrai, had not trained at all, and began training. And while I had ridden in my youth, I had not ridden in quite a few years, and it was great to get back on the bike. So I'd love to hear your story. If you see me out and about in the towns or on the road, stop and talk, and I'd love to hear your story as well. I am quite a chatty person when it comes to riding. I talk and love to hear people's stories quite a bit as we ride around and enjoy Ragbrai.
Hi all, I'm Rob Meinzer. I'm looking forward to working with the PJR Media team of Pat, Bruce, and Eric to bring you coverage from Ragbrai 49. I'll be a Ragbrai version this year and looking forward to getting some great video from both the drone in the sky, on the bike, at the craft beer stops, at the expo, and everywhere else along the way, bringing the atmosphere of Ragbrai to life in video. Looking forward to seeing the amazing edits from Bruce and Pat. Hope to see many of you on the ride. Look for me with the Hills Angels team out of the Cincinnati, Ohio area, and I'll be on the metallic orange bike with the white handlebars, white saddle as well. And if you see all that with a red drone in the sky, you can be guaranteed it's going to be me. Looking forward to a week of fun, and bottoms up, keep the rubber side down.
G'day, I'm Bruce, and I'm the furthest away in this production team, way over in Australia, while Rob and Eric are filming in Iowa, and Pat's in Kansas City, putting the director's cut together. So I've got the privilege of coordinating all of the footage that's been uploaded by Rob and Eric. And while the team in the US is sleeping, I can put this together to a story, put it back to DropBox, and Pat can pick it up in the morning when he wakes up, put his director's cut together and get it up onto Facebook. And I'm really looking forward to these 7 days. It's always a bit of a challenge, but then I'm up for that, as is the rest of the team.